Jewelry designer John Hardy first visited the island of Bali in the 1970s, learning local artisan techniques of silversmithing. In 1996, the John Hardy compound was built in Mumble, just outside of Ubud, serving as the creative headquarters of the now global luxury jewelry brand. The entire creative process is housed in the compound's bamboo structures. Everything from the rendering of designs in pencil and watercolor to the creation of jewelry prototypes to silver production is done here. Creative director Guy Bedarida sits in the same light-flooded, open-air room as Balinese artisans as they create new designs. All 650 workers are fed organic meals daily that are grown and prepared on the premises. Visitors are welcome to the compound and can share communal meals with Balinese silver artisans. The product floor hums with the sounds of handmade silver details. Designs are first cast in wax before being filled with molten silver. The process is largely focused on sustainability, with the use of reclaimed silver and carbon-reducing practices. The jewelry showroom is the centerpiece of the property, designed like a kapal bamboo or a bamboo ship in mind. Silver rings, necklaces, and bracelets are showcased in sparkling glass and bamboo cases.